Well, the aim of the Atos Tech Days is really to demonstrate that Atos is transforming very rapidly and is now developing technologies, products based on IP, patents, to be delivered to the market. And it's very important that to demonstrate that Atos is no more a pure services company, but more and more a solution company, using homemade and developed building blocks to provide to our customers through the four pillars we have announced to the market some months ago regarding our 3-year strategy. The building blocks to provide to the customers, let's say, requirements, the solution for their digital transformation. The overall message is to say, okay, around the 4 pillars of the group, which are hybrid cloud, digital workplace, Codex, and SAP HANA deployment, we need to enhance these pillars through 2 main streams, which are complementary. The first one is the computing, and especially the extreme computing, the high-end computing, and the security. The extreme computing is needed in all the pillars and beyond, of course, because it has to face the deluge and tsunami of data. Our customers have to either absorb, swallow, manage, store, and thrive on. And having, after what we have announced with Sequana 1 year ago, we are moving forward and we are announcing a quantum learning machine that is an emulation of quantum computing in order to prepare the world for the quantum revolution. That's for the mainstream of computing. And the second one, which is security, which is a way to protect the data we are storing, we are managing, we are exploiting and valuing. We need also to be sure that these data are protected. And now we are moving forward, and it was in line with the announcement we have made in the past years. We are moving forward by bringing analytics and artificial intelligence in our SOC, where we are a European leader, clearly, by going to the prescriptions of the security solutions. And the idea is to treat the event automatically through artificial intelligence and to bring to human beings and human operators, the right decision to be done for the protection. Security is more and more important. Just open any newspaper and you will realize that it's extremely important and more. Why? Because there are more and more cyber crimes, more and more cyber criminals. They can make a lot of money by locking data, stealing data, destroying, or let's say threatening to destroy data. Then they are making a lot of money. Then in front of these cyber crimes that is emerging very fast, we need absolutely to protect the more and more data we as human beings we are producing as citizens, as employees, as individuals, in companies, in organizations, in whatever. Then it's very important in front of this crime to have the shield, the protections, dynamically, because we are also more and more connected, more and more mobile, we are more and more surrounded by objects, then to protect it, what we are doing, what we are producing, and following the flows. Then it's, of course, to my point of view, it's one of the main subjects of the digital transformation, to be sure that this transformation is done in a regulated and secured way. The trends that facing the volume of data we'll have to absorb altogether, looking at the rising, let's say, threat of cyber crimes coming from mafia, nations, individuals, sometimes one just to play. We need really to build more and more a solution that is prescripting what needs to be done. We won't be in a position in the coming years to treat all the events that will come through. It's impossible. From a human perspective, it's impossible because we will have more and more events. Then the only solution is to hybrid the artificial intelligence, machine intelligence, with data analytics and the brain of the human beings, and being sure that all the events are automatically treated, filtered, with automated response done by robots, and bringing to human operators in front of SOC screens the right events to be treated with an assistance to the decisions. This is the future. Then really the hybridations of robots and humans is a good illustration of what needs to be done in security for the future. I believe that what Atos has announced also around the quantum learning machine is very smart and very bright, because quantum computers won't be hardware, won't be available not before 5, 10, 15 years. Nobody knows exactly. There are a lot of constraints we need to face and to tackle. But in the meantime, we need to be sure that looking at this breakthrough, because it has nothing to do with the binary mechanisms of computing, in order to prepare, to educate, to train, we are proposing to research centers, public, private, everywhere in the world at a very competitive price, solutions that will help the world, the digital world, to be ready when the machine will be ready. And it's the first time that this time we're going to build ecosystems, applications, educations, language that will be prepared before the hardware to be ready. Usually we have the hardware, and based on the hardware we are building the applications. And I believe thinking this all the way around, it's a very first premier innovation.